Number of atoms in a unit cell. How many atoms are present in each unit cell? We know that crystal lattice is made up of a very large number of unit cells. This is a crystal lattice and it consists of 3 unit cells, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 unit cells present in this, and every lattice point is occupied by one constituent particle. This lattice point is occupied by one constituent particle, that can be atom, molecule or ion. Let us now work out what portion of each particle belongs to a particular unit cell. We shall consider 3 types of cubic unit cells, and for simplicity we will assume that the constituent particle is an atom. The constituent particle is an atom. There are 3 types of cubic unit cell: primitive cubic unit cell, body centered cubic unit cell and face centered cubic unit cell. We know that in a unit cells there are 8 corners: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 corners in a unit cell. They are simple or primitive unit cell. What is primitive unit cell? Primitive unit cell is the cell in which atoms are located only at its corner. Atoms are located only at its corner. Such a cell is called as primitive unit cell or simple unit cell. In a primitive unit cell, atoms are only located at its corner. Each atom at the corner is shared between the 8 unit cell. We know that there are 8 unit cell and such that there are 8 corners. So the each atom at the corner is shared between the 8 corners. There is 8 unit cell. There are 8 unit cell in each corner. Then think, what is the contribution of one atom in each corner? Okay, contribution by one atom present to the unit cell is 1 by 8. There are 8 corners and contribution of to the unit cell at the corner is 1 by 8. Number of atoms in a unit cell. To find out the number of atoms in a unit cell present is, we should number of atoms present in each cubic unit cell. What are the number of atoms present in each cubic unit cell is, number of atoms present in each cubic unit cell is 8. There are 8 number of atoms into contribution by one atom present at the corner to the unit cell. What contribution does the each atom gives to the unit cell is 1 by 8. So 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. So there are 1 unit cell in a simple or primitive unit cell. Body centered unit cell. In this unit cell, constituent particles are located at the center of the body. Body centered unit cell. They are present at the center of the body. 1. Okay. There are 8 atoms in a unit cell located at the corners. Okay, 8 atoms located at the corners. It has 8 atoms on the corner and 1 atom within the body. This is a 1 atom which is present within the body. Thus, in a body centered unit cell, this is a body centered unit cell. There are 8 corners, and how much the each corner of atom contributes? 1 by 8. 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 atom present in the 8 corners. Okay, let's calculate about one body center atom. One body center, 1 into 1, so 1 atom. Total number of atoms per unit body centered cubic unit cell is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. There are 2 body centered cubic unit cell atoms. We know that there are 6 faces in a face centered cell: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are 8 atoms at the corners. And 6 faces. This is face centered cubic unit cell. It has 8 atoms on the corners and 6 atoms on the faces. Thus it is a face centered cubic unit cell. 8 atoms on the corner and 6 atoms on the faces. It is a face centered cubic unit cell. Let's calculate the number of atoms present in the face centered cubic unit cell. So there are 8 corner atoms, and how much the each corner atom per single, 8 corner atoms into atom per unit cell is 1 by 8. So there is a one atom. There is a one atom in the 8 corner atoms into 1 by 8 atom per unit cell. There are 6 face centered atoms, and how much the each atom per unit cell is 1 by 2. 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to cancel out, gets 3 atoms. There are 3 atoms. Total number of atoms per unit cell is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. There are 4 atoms in a face centered cubic unit cell. A primitive cubic unit cells. A primitive cubic unit cell has been depicted in 3 different ways. This figure A represents only the center of the particle occupying that position and not its actual size. Such structures are called as open structures. Such structures are called as open structures. The arrangement of particles, here the arrangement of particles is very easy in open structures. Figure B is a space filling representation of the unit cell. Each unit cell is filled with the space. There is no gap between them. Figure C represents the actual portion of the different atoms. It is showing the actual position of the different atoms present in a cubic unit cell. Actual portion of atoms belonging to one unit cell. Third unit cell. Figure A is an open structure. This is an open structure. This is a space filling model. This is a space filled model structure. The C structure is the unit cell which portions of atoms actually belonging to 8. Actual portions of atoms belonging to the unit cell. This A structure, this is the structure of a face centered unit cell, and this is the first one is a open structure. This is the open structure of a face centered unit cell. This is a space filled model, and this C structure is a unit cell with a portion of atoms actually belonging to it. Actual portion of atoms belonging to one unit cell are given.